Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's March 2nd. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a great 3-day weekend. And check this out. It's Read Across America Day today, March 2nd. We're going to talk about enthusiasm. We're going to talk about Dr. Seuss and how he showed enthusiasm and how he got excited about writing. But first, let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, you guys can go ahead and have a seat. Show me a good slant. I'm so excited because right here in front of me, I have a whole bunch of Dr. Seuss books. Dr. Seuss is amazing. His name actually wasn't Dr. Seuss. Look at that. It says Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. But actually, his name was Theodore, or Ted was his nickname, Gazelle. And there he is. There's the guy that wrote Dr. Seuss. And he was super excited. He was excited to write books for kids. He was excited to make people laugh. He was excited to inspire with some of these favorite books, like Oh, the Places You'll Go. He was excited to tell us lessons about life, like how the Grinch stole Christmas. This one has an important lesson, like Christmas is not just all about the presents. He also wrote books that teach us other important lessons. Horton Hears a Who has one of my favorite lines in it that says, a person's a person no matter how small. And we talk about that when we talk about virtues a lot, that you need to treat everybody equally, no matter how small or how different they might be. I have a whole stack of them here. Some of my favorites from when I was a kid, like Green Eggs and Ham. Oh, there's the Foot Book. Hilarious, right? Well, I want you to think about this today. We're going to read some Dr. Seuss books. I'm going to come around to your class and read a book to you. It might be a Dr. Seuss book or it might be something else. I want to know, though, today, what are you excited about? How are you showing enthusiasm? One of the coolest things Dr. Seuss did was just get very excited and very weird and very funny. So what are you excited about? And then also another question that I put up on the screen is, what's your favorite Dr. Seuss book? Which one do you love? I love Green Eggs and Ham. Makes me hungry for some eggs. And it also makes me want to try new foods, which it happens to be like one of my favorite things to do is trying new things. So let's talk about enthusiasm and Dr. Seuss. Here come the questions. Have a great day, Achieve.